Aurus and Moonfarm Finance have teamed up to launch a yield farming campaign with Aurus tokens. Aurus has created an ecosystem made up of refineries, vaults, and brokers that work together to mint their own precious metal-backed tokens: Aurus Gold, Aurus Silver, and Aurus Platinum. The revenues these tokens generate via on-chain transactions are claimed by holders of a reward-sharing token, Aurus DeFi, or AWX. Moonfarm has merged centralized and decentralized finance to create a hybrid yield farming aggregator, also known as CDFI. It provides users with the best of both worlds: fast, low-cost transactions, easy access, high yields in DeFi, and top security, without the risk of impermanent loss. Currently, Moonfarm has over $18 million total value locked on their platform. Moonfarm users can earn up to 10% more yield just by holding MFO tokens in their wallet. The first pool to be opened is AWS ETH, with 300% APR return. Users can provide liquidity on the AWS ETH pair on the Quickswap DEX and stake their LP token on Moonfarm to earn AWX rewards. The steps for farming AWX are as follows: purchase AWX on the dedicated token sale page, withdraw from Moonfarm and hold equal amounts of AWS and ETH in your wallet, then add AWS and ETH in the AWS ETH liquidity pool on Quickswap DEX. Send the AWS ETH LP token to the Moonfarm platform, and then stake the AWS LP token to earn your AWX rewards. The next pool is for Moonfarm token holders. MFO offers 100% APR return. In the second pool, Moonfarm holders or MFO token holders can stake their MFO on the platform to earn AWX rewards too. It's that simple. The next pool is AWS with an 80% APR or return. In the third pool, you can simply buy and stake AWS to earn AWX rewards. Purchase AWS on the dedicated token sale page and stake your AWS on the Moonfarm platform to earn AWX rewards. Aurus and Moonfarm have created another pool in order to provide smart liquidity. So how can you earn discounted AWX with AWX Quick Bonds? In this pool, users can acquire AWX Quick Bonds by simply staking AWX and Quick tokens on the Moonfarm platform. In return, they will receive AWX Quick Bonds. These LP bonds can then be swapped for discounted AWX tokens. Discounts can reach up to 30% for early stakers. Discounted AWX tokens will be released to the user with the first vesting period after 7 days. Users can then repeat the process by staking their AWX on the Moonfarm platform again. Currently, Moonfarm has more than 10,000 active yield farmers, over $18 million of assets locked, and 15 pools across 3 chains. Are you looking for yield farming opportunities with real-world assets? Then start earning yield today with Aurus and Moonfarm.